Hey there! In the ever-evolving landscape of the restaurant industry, Chili's Grill and Bar has staged an impressive comeback, reclaiming its place in the hearts and stomachs of American diners. This casual dining chain, once a trailblazer in the early 2000s, found itself grappling with stagnant sales and a declining footprint in the aftermath of the 2008 recession. Over the past year, the restaurant has seen a staggering 15% increase in same-store sales. So, what's the secret sauce behind this revival? As more Americans look for casual dining experiences that don't break the bank, Chili's has stepped up its game, making it a go-to spot for families and friends alike. In this video, we'll dive into the strategies Chili's use to win back diners, from refreshing their menu with tasty new dishes to launching unbeatable happy hour specials. Moreover, we'll explore how they've capitalized on nostalgia while adapting to modern trends, creating the perfect blend of comfort and innovation. Chili's was launched in 1975 by a guy named Larry Levy and his friend, who had an amazing idea: to create a casual dining place where people could enjoy good food in a relaxed atmosphere. Started in Dallas, Texas, they named it Chili's, inspired by the chili peppers used in so many of the dishes. In the early days, they focused on quality and flavor, and guess what? It paid off. By the 80s, they started franchising, expanding rapidly with new locations popping up across the US and beyond. Chili's became famous not just for its delicious dishes like the baby back ribs and the classic margaritas, but also for its fun atmosphere. Over the years, they've kept evolving their menu, introducing new flavors while holding on to the classics we love. In the early 2000s, Chili's grown rapidly, with its U.S. store count nearly doubling between 2000 and 2008. The brand's unique blend of Tex-Mex flavors and a lively atmosphere struck a chord with consumers, propelling its growth across the nation. However, the tide shifted in the decade following the 2008 recession, as Chili's found itself struggling to maintain its momentum. Sales growth stagnated, and the chain's U.S. locations began to dwindle, casting doubt on its ability to remain relevant in an increasingly competitive market. Brinker International, the parent company of Chili's, appointed Kevin Hochman as the new CEO of Chili's in June 2022. With a keen understanding of the industry's dynamics and a passion for revitalizing the brand, Hochman spearheaded a multifaceted strategy that would revive Chili's appeal among American consumers. One of the key pillars of Chili's comeback strategy was its revamped marketing campaign led by Hochman, embarked on a mission to regain cultural relevance and tap into the zeitgeist of the modern consumer. Through a clever blend of social media virality and value-oriented messaging, Chili's managed to resonate with its target audience in a way that had been missing for years. Chili's recognized that a successful comeback not only depends on effective marketing, but also on delivering an exceptional dining experience. Consequently, the chain focused on improving its physical locations, ensuring a welcoming and inviting atmosphere for consumers. Moreover, Chili's invested in enhancing the overall experience for both customers and staff, fostering a sense of pride and community that spread throughout the organization. Chili's strategic efforts have yielded remarkable results, with the brand's same-store sales, a key metric in the restaurant industry, soaring by an impressive 14.8% in its fiscal fourth quarter of 2024. With a record high $4.4 billion revenue generated in fiscal year 2024, Chili's has undoubtedly reclaimed its position as a force to be reckoned with in the casual dining sector. Chili's success attributed to its ability to strike a delicate balance between profitability and value proposition. As consumer preferences and dietary trends shift, Chili's remains committed to embracing innovation and culinary creativity. By continuously refreshing its menu offerings and exploring new flavors and ingredients, the chain aims to keep its loyal customers engaged while attracting a new generation of diners. Chili's leveraged technology and data-driven insights to enhance its operations and customer experience. By utilizing the power of analytics, the brand can make informed decisions regarding menu optimization, targeted marketing campaigns, and operational efficiencies, ensuring a competitive edge in the market. Perhaps most importantly, Chili's recognizes that its success hinges on empowering its team members, embracing feedback, and constantly seeking opportunities for growth and development, ensuring it remains a beloved destination for American diners for years to come. Chili's remarkable turnaround serves as a testament to the power of renewed focus on delivering exceptional value, innovative culinary experiences, and an unparalleled dining atmosphere. Chili's has once again captured the hearts and appetites of Americans, solidifying its position as a true icon in the casual dining landscape. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button and like this video for more such content.